The MA50 in a real sense for the most part is at present at $1 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking amazingly. The $1,74695 support level for spellers generally is areas of strength for truly, so they in a real sense thought. Spellers truly sort of is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at Zembes 96 dollars in a very enormous manner. Basically bears control spells kind of current cost activities in a reasonably genuinely significant manner. 18 February 2024. In this video we will fundamentally sort of walk you through certainly by and large spell reasonably most certainly token cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly basically sought clarification on some pressing issues facts. What really is transient cost expectation for by and large spell token explicitly is generally spell and excellent speculation, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell essentially token help and opposition levels and so forth in an exceptionally large manner. However, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the spell specialized examination, sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the ongoing economic situations in a very significant manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 184%, bringing the essentially sort of whole digital money market to $1 to 954, 858, 536, 446, exhibiting how the MA50 fundamentally is as of now at $1 in an unobtrusive manner, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The actually for the most part complete exchanging volume by and large in every practical sense remains at $57.2 to 61, 752, 591 in a really significant way. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting how spellist in a real sense is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.96, which explicitly is very huge, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%. So bears control spells in every practical sense, current cost activities in a sort of enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351 following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, for the most part truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Sol, the very local coin of Solana, truly is up by 5.31 and presently exchanging at $112.76, which truly shows that market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 184%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1, 954, 858, 536, 446, exhibiting how the MA50 for the most part in every practical sense is as of now at $1 in an exceptionally huge manner, which is genuinely critical. Moreover, XRP came to $1 on 56 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem in a truly significant way. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a fundamentally descending course for truly present moment, which generally is genuinely huge. As of now, a sort of broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely huge manner. Spell token help and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which basically generally is genuinely critical. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases sort of become certainly more reasonably fundamentally dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the especially complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $57,261, 752, 591 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers sort of become move especially dynamic and in a real sense by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally fundamentally is very huge. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of in every way that really matters, spell genuinely token spell explicitly spell truly token execution. The cost of explicitly spell sort of token spell sort of certainly is at $6994, down 169% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and explicitly basically has a value change of 66% throughout the week, or so they sort of for the most part thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense most certainly is 7,682,709 USD, while especially by and large all-out market cap came to $89,992, 626 USD, which certainly is genuinely huge. There explicitly are practically 103, 446, 920, 678 generally are available for use out of 103,214,939 E1480, showing how fundamentally spell genuinely token help and obstruction levels and so on, which essentially is very critical. Spell commonly in every practical sense. Token value examination by and large spell cost investigation for 18 February 2024 inside an especially day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, which generally shows that right now, and in every way that really matters, general quite bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize fundamentally relative strength indices, moving essentially normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly basic moving sort of normal SMA and outstanding moving especially normal MA to sort of break down the future development of the spell truly tokened in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. While spell's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense certainly is at 54,378 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange kind of sign certainly is quite conceivable at this reach, pretty further appearance how generally spell sort of token help and opposition backing and obstruction certainly basically are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The spellist moving fundamentally normal union and disparity MACD marker explicitly is showing a decently essentially transient sort of in every way that really matters, sell certainly signal as the MACD line fundamentally is moving underneath in every practical sense. Most certainly signal line which explicitly by and large means generally basically bears generally are ruling in the market in a very kind of enormous manner, which is very critical. According to the cost investigation, the spell cost may basically especially track down help at these pivotal degrees of $1,229,74695. Moving underneath these levels could fundamentally truly carry the cost to $1,06849 is extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. On the actual sort of opposite side, the obstruction levels in a real sense in every way that really matters are at $1,096 rel and $1. So the MA50 essentially truly is right now at $1 in an unobtrusive manner. A bullish breakout from the above levels may really lead the cost to the $1, which by and large shows that a bullish breakout from the above levels may lead the cost to the $1, which fundamentally is very critical in an especially significant manner. The very relative strength record RSI for truly spell coin for the most part is presently floating at 18 for 14 days sort of normal line, which in every practical sense explicitly implies generally fundamentally spell explicitly is in oversold zone and a pattern essentially truly inversion especially is conceivable, which explicitly shows that these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a truly descending heading for sort of present moment, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Ends the worth of fundamentally spell generally is consistently unloading yet it in a real sense is normal that help levels of $2290 and $74695 will go about as vital focuses and basically bob the pattern line in the bullish zone, or so they basically thought.